Turmeric, derived from the curcuma longa plant, and often referred to as the golden spice, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. If you're curious about what happens to your body when you incorporate this golden spice into your daily routine, you're in the right place. Stick around till the end for tips on how to incorporate turmeric into your diet. Now let's get started. Number 1. Reducing inflammation. Turmeric's remarkable anti-inflammatory properties stem from its active compound, curcumin. Inflammation is a natural response by the body to injuries or infections, but chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues, including chronic diseases like arthritis, cardiovascular diseases, and even neurodegenerative disorders. Curcumin has been extensively studied for its ability to regulate the activity of inflammatory pathways at the molecular level. It inhibits the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines and enzymes, which are responsible for triggering inflammation. In a 2019 study of individuals with osteoarthritis of the knee, the set of patients who received turmeric versus an anti-inflammatory drug experienced similar levels of improvement in their symptoms, but with much fewer reported side effects. The anti-inflammatory effects of turmeric are not only beneficial for addressing existing health concerns, but also for promoting overall well-being and preventing inflammatory-related ailments in the long term. Number 2. Lower bad cholesterol. Turmeric shows promise in supporting the lowering of low-density lipoprotein or LDL cholesterol levels. Several studies suggest that curcumin may positively impact cholesterol metabolism by enhancing the expression of LDL receptors, facilitating the removal of LDL cholesterol from the bloodstream. Additionally, curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties are believed to contribute to reducing chronic inflammation, a factor linked to elevated cholesterol levels and atherosclerosis, which is the thickening or hardening of the arteries caused by a buildup of plaque. The antioxidant action of turmeric may also play a role in preventing oxidative damage to LDL cholesterol, thereby hindering its contribution to arterial plaque formation. Lifestyle modifications, including a heart-healthy diet, regular exercise, and overall cardiovascular wellness, are important components in managing cholesterol levels. Number 3. Heart health. Turmeric has been recognized for its potential benefits in promoting heart health, with its active compound, curcumin, playing a central role in these positive effects. One significant benefit is its potential to improve endothelial function. The endothelium is the inner lining of blood vessels, and its proper functioning is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Curcumin has been shown to enhance endothelial function by promoting dilation of blood vessels and supporting optimal blood flow, thereby reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Moreover, turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties contribute to its positive effects on heart health. Chronic inflammation is a key factor in the development of cardiovascular diseases, and curcumin's ability to regulate inflammatory pathways may help reduce this risk. Additionally, the antioxidants in turmeric neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress on the cardiovascular system. Furthermore, turmeric may have antithrombotic effects, preventing the formation of blood clots. This is significant because blood clots can lead to conditions like heart attacks and strokes. However, it's important to maintain a heart-healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, a balanced diet, and avoiding smoking. Number 4. Digestive health. Turmeric's positive impact on digestive health is multifaceted, primarily attributed to its active compound, curcumin. Renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, curcumin plays a crucial role in relieving inflammation within the digestive tract, offering relief to individuals grappling with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome or inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Furthermore, turmeric contributes to the balance of the gut microbiota, fostering the growth of beneficial bacteria vital for optimal digestion and overall well-being. The spice's traditional use in addressing indigestion is supported by its capacity to stimulate bile production, aiding in fat digestion, and its anti-inflammatory characteristics, which can alleviate discomfort associated with indigestion. If you're getting value so far, let me know in the comments. Number 5. Potential anti-cancer properties. Turmeric, through curcumin, has garnered attention for its potential anti-cancer properties. although it's essential to note that research, though promising in this area, is still ongoing. Curcumin's anti-cancer effects are thought to stem from its ability to influence multiple signaling pathways involved in the development and progression of cancer cells. Firstly, curcumin is believed to help suppress chronic inflammation, a factor associated with the initiation and promotion of cancer. Secondly, it may inhibit the proliferation of cancer cells by inducing apoptosis, a process that triggers programmed cancer cell death. Additionally, curcumin has demonstrated the potential to interfere with the growth of blood vessels that supply tumors and inhibit the invasion and metastasis of cancer cells. While numerous studies have shown promising results in laboratory settings and animal models, more extensive clinical research is required to establish the efficacy of curcumin as a standalone or complementary anti-cancer therapy in humans. Number 6. Antidepressant. While turmeric is not a substitute for professional mental health treatment, emerging research suggests that its active compound, curcumin, may have potential antidepressant properties. Curcumin's ability to regulate neurotransmitters, such as serotonin and dopamine, which play vital roles in regulating mood, has been explored. Additionally, curcumin's anti-inflammatory effects may be relevant to depression, as there is a growing understanding of the link between inflammation and mental health. Some studies indicate that curcumin may have a role in reducing inflammatory markers in the brain and promoting neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to adapt and reorganize. Research published in 2008 indicated that using traditional antidepressant drugs in conjunction with curcumin and piperine, an alkaline in black pepper that helps with absorption, could potentially boost serotonin and dopamine levels, creating a more effective approach to overall treatment. While promising, it's essential to approach turmeric as a complement to standard treatments, and individuals dealing with depression should consult with mental health professionals for proper diagnosis and guidance. Number 7. Anti-aging. Turmeric is increasingly recognized for its potential role in anti-aging. The antioxidant properties of curcumin make it a valuable contender in the fight against free radicals, which contribute to oxidative stress and accelerated aging. By neutralizing these free radicals, turmeric may help maintain skin elasticity and prevent premature signs of aging. Furthermore, curcumin can help to reduce chronic inflammation associated with age-related skin conditions, such as wrinkles and fine lines. Studies also suggest that curcumin can stimulate collagen production, supporting skin structure and firmness. Additionally, turmeric's ability to protect the skin from UV damage aligns with its potential anti-aging benefits, as exposure to the sun is a key factor in skin aging. While turmeric shows promise in promoting anti-aging effects, individual responses may vary. Maintaining an overall healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, hydration, regular exercise, and proper skincare, is vital for supporting the aging process. Number 8. Migraines. Migraines can be completely debilitating, and those who suffer from them frequently are often willing to try anything and everything to ward off these painful headaches. Turmeric has been explored for its potential in alleviating migraines, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. While research on this specific topic is still emerging, the anti-inflammatory effects of curcumin may contribute to reducing the severity and frequency of migraines. Inflammation is believed to play a role in the onset of migraines, and curcumin's ability to regulate inflammatory pathways could provide relief. Some studies also suggest that curcumin may have a role in managing pain perception, which is crucial in addressing the intense headaches associated with migraines. However, it's important to note that individual responses to turmeric can vary, and more research is needed to establish turmeric as a definitive treatment for migraines. If you suffer from migraines, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the most suitable treatment plan, which may include dietary considerations like incorporating turmeric alongside other recommended interventions. As you'll discover, there are various ways to enjoy the benefits of this powerful spice. Remember that the absorption of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, can be enhanced by consuming it with black pepper and healthy fats. Now, here are different ways to incorporate turmeric into your daily routine. Number 1. Cooking. One of the simplest ways to use turmeric is by adding it to your cooking. You can sprinkle turmeric powder onto roasted vegetables, rice dishes, soups, stews, a morning omelet, or your favorite dish. Number 2, golden milk or turmeric tea. Combine turmeric with warm milk or a dairy-free alternative. Add a dash of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption, and sweeten with honey or another natural sweetener of your choice. Number 3, smoothies. Add turmeric into your morning smoothies for a nutrient-packed start to your day. Combine it with fruits, vegetables, yogurt, or plant-based milk for a refreshing and anti-inflammatory boost. Number 4, turmeric lattes. Enjoy a trendy turmeric latte or golden latte. Mix turmeric with steamed milk and sweeten with honey or maple syrup. Experiment with different spices like cinnamon or ginger for added flavor. Number 5, turmeric shots. Create a health-boosting shot by blending fresh turmeric with other immune-boosting ingredients like ginger, lemon, and a touch of black pepper. Dilute with water or coconut water for a quick and potent potion. Number 6, turmeric in salad dressings. Add turmeric to your homemade salad dressings for an extra burst of flavor. Combine it with olive oil, lemon juice, honey, and your favorite herbs for a delicious dressing. Number 7, turmeric supplements. Consider taking turmeric supplements if you prefer a more straightforward approach. These are available in various forms, including capsules and gummies, providing a convenient way to incorporate turmeric into your daily routine. And there you have it. We hope you've gained valuable insights into what happens to your body when you take turmeric every day. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or supplement routine. If you enjoyed uncovering the secrets of this golden gem, don't forget to hit the like button, share with others, and subscribe for more enriching health and wellness insights. Here's to embracing the goodness of turmeric and the journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you.